Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is December the 14th and I'm using my brand new Easy Scalper trading system. Two excellent scalping indicators. The first one is the Easy Scalper, that's this moving average that changes colors, and of course the Super Signal arrows. The indicator, both indicators, if you have the alert turned on, will give an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here, alerting you whether you should be at least looking for buy or sell trades. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, and by the way, you can get in front of the charts anytime you desire, as the market is open 24 hours a day. It's just some markets will move a lot more and give a lot more pips and ticks. But the time I like to get in front is around between 6 and 7 in the morning. That's overlapping the London and moving towards and into the New York session. So there's lots of volatility, lots of price action during this time. So at that point in time, I'm looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, and as you can see, there are a lot of bullish trades, and one of them is even preferred here. So as my mentor told me many years ago, the reason why a lot of traders fail is because they don't have any kind of a daily trade plan. Now after more than 19 years, and I've had many different kinds of trading plans, and this one is the best one I came across. Now of course it's not right 100% of the time. Keep in mind that first you have price action, and then the plan will start to register it. It's the same as every indicator. They're somewhat lagging, but if the market's going to move 100 or more pips and ticks, well, doesn't mean you're going to get 100 or more, but if you can get 50, 60, and you do a few trades, well, you can easily see how you can get 200 and or more pips and ticks on a daily basis like I do. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, all you got to do is Skype me. Okay, now we can get into these trades. First one is the dollar CAD. Let's see where I got in first of all. Took the trade at this cursor. Got the super signal. Daily trade plan said to sell. Scalper was red. Everything down at the bottom was perfect. So I took the trade at this point, and it looks like I closed it out just being happy at this point in time with 8 pips, and that paid out $66. And by the way, today there was official bank rate high impact news, and as you can see, it was the official bank rate for the pound. So I ended up doing 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 pound trades, and we can take a look at that news. Here it is here at the Forex Factory calendar for December the 14th at 7 a.m. Pound high impact news official bank rate. Now it was positive, which means we're going to be buying the pound as long as the pound, we're buying the pound, and of course if the pound is on the left side, we'll be buying. Now the news came out at 7 a.m. All the trades were before 7. So I traded before high impact news. My system was saying to sell, so, sell. That's the direction it's going. So we'll get into those pound pairs shortly. Next trade I ended up doing was the Euro New Zealand. Now all the rest here, as you can see, I bought. Let's drag and drop this up first of all, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Scalper was blue, qualified for a great way to trade. Took the trade here. By the way, we got the super signal arrow right here. Now let's see. Got in at this point, and I closed it out just being happy with about 26 pips. Those pips paid out $167. Now here's £1 trade I took. It was a pound CAD. Bought it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. So when I pulled the trigger, qualified for a great way to trade. There's the arrow from the super signal. Scalper was blue. So I took the trade at this point and I closed it out just being happy with about, looks like 30 pips. And that paid out $223. Moving along to the next trade, crude oil. Now crude oil pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, well, this should be 33 ticks. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it from the daily trade plan. Scalper was blue. Look to the left, you'll see way back here, a buy signal. So after a bit of a pullback, and I knew in real time it could go back to the goal line, that didn't bother me, but I knew it was going to go up eventually. So I took the trade here, and like I said, it should be around 33. There it is right there, 33 ticks, and that paid out $330. Moving right along to the next trade, pound Swiss. Another one I wanted to be buying. Let's see now where I got in at first of all. So on this trade, the pound Swiss, wanted to be buying it from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Bit of a pullback. Like I said on the previous one, sometimes it can come back to the goal line. Not a big deal. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out at this cursor being happy. Looks like with 29 pips, and that paid out $330. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the pound dollar. This one pays $10 for each pip because of the USDs on the right hand side. So looking at the money, this should be 35 pips. So let's drag and drop this up. Okay, the trade, the way the charts look, qualifies for a great way to trade. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Super signal, scalper was blue. Followed all the rules, plus there are other rules, and I teach many different rules and regulations, like things that you got to be looking for, many different things before you take the trade. So what I say, this should be 35. There it is right there, 35 pips, and that paid out $350. So moving right along to the last trade, the pound New Zealand. Let's see where I got in at. So when I pulled the trigger, did qualify for a great way to trade. We have the blue arrow. The scalper was blue. Everything down at the bottom was looking pretty good. So I took the trade at this point, and I closed it out at this point, just being happy with, looks like 96 pips, and that paid out $595. So another great day of trading using my Easy Scalper. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks. Today's grand total came to 256 pips and ticks, and that paid out $2,066. Remember, there's going to be 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education. And don't forget, you're going to need a daily trade plan. Now, you must think like you're learning to become a doctor or a lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now, when you buy from me, I do give support. And after you buy from me, I will tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Also, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple, just get in contact with me. And easy to do. All you got to do is look right below this video and in the description. Remember, you have to click on the banner or the word more. It'll open up another box with a lot of information. Also in the description, you'll see a link. All you got to do is click on it for a Skype connection. And once we have that connection, I can answer your questions. Now also in the description, you'll see 4 different packages. I recommend you getting at least 3 of them. I do charge $250 each package. I do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. Also, if you love Fibonacci's, well, I have an excellent fib tool here. All you got to do is click on this fib tool right here, and you're just going to go swing pivot low. This is a low right here, and there's a low here, and there's a low here. So there's no right or wrong. You can take any point, get in, swing low, swing high. Market did do a pullback to the entry 1 here. Now if it hits 1, 2, or 3 as a general rule, nothing's guaranteed 100% of the time, but it usually will make it to target 2, 3, 4, 5 or more. And as you can clearly see, I made this personally myself, and there's actually 10 different targets. It goes all the way to 10. And as you can see, there it is, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So like I said, it's an excellent tool to have. And the reason why Fibonacci works, as my mentors told me many years ago, is that there's millions of traders out there who actually use the Fibonacci. And at least, traders have been asking me lately, do you have anything with Fibonacci? Well, I have the FibMaster full course with 30 training videos. And of course, that is why I am talking about it now. And of course, I put it in as a 4th package. Remember, the more education you can get your hands on and the more tools, the better you will become as a trader. And when you become a better trader, you'll be making more pips and ticks, which means you'll be making more money. Now, I do have other special offers and different packages. And if you want to know what they are, well, just send me an email and I'll let you know what they are. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.